This video right here is to explain hard light and soft light as quick as possible. So, what is hard light? Hard light is produced by a small light source. So this is a video light, and you can see right here, it's a small light source. This right here is a softbox lantern. This is a modifier. If I put this here into this here, it gives me a bigger light source. That means softer light. Small light source, hard light. Make it bigger with a modifier or anything else. It gives us soft light. The bigger this is, the more soft light I get. So, the bigger the light source, softer light. Small light source, hard light. Let me show you an example. Using this alone on me and using this with it. Right here in this scene, we have a small light source. The video light is up there without any modifier. This is a small light source. One thing you must understand, you will see shadow. Well-defined shadow. You can see that? It's well-defined. Hard light gives you well-defined shadow. On me, see my hands. Shadows on the background. Hard light. Right here in this scene, we have the lantern softbox on the video light. You can see little to no shadow. I can't really see it anymore. You can see that. Little to no shadow. So, a small light source gives you hard light. A bigger light source gives you soft light. Small light source, hard light. Bigger light source, soft light. The bigger the light gets, the softer the light becomes. So, bigger light source, you get soft light. Small light source, you get hard light.